Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment and getting admin access. This is essential because blocking extensions at scale needs policy control. Open Chrome, //policy in Chrome, / extensions to see what's active, and make sure Chrome is updated so policies apply correctly. Once done, download the Chrome admins templates or plan to use the Windows registry. You do this to control behavior centrally. Without admins or registry, changes your blocks won't persist. Now move to configuring the policy entries themselves. Next, you create the actual block list and apply it. This is the core action where the browser enforces restrictions. Set extension install block list to specific extension ID, or use asterisk to block all and then allow trusted ones. Add exceptions in extension install allow list with exact ID because misspelling prevents access. Deploy these settings through group policy, your MDM solution, or by writing the registry keys or JSON policy files. This ensures machines receive the rules. Make sure policies refresh or restart Chrome. Finally, you verify the blocks and troubleshoot if anything fails. Verification avoids surprises. Visit Chrome, //policy to confirm the extension install block list and allow list are present and note the last update time. Test on a target user account and restart Chrome so policies reload. Clear the browser cache if an extension still appears. If something goes wrong, recheck extension ID, policy scope, group policy links and precedents. One misapplied setting often causes conflicts. If needed, roll back changes cleanly and reapply step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.